Man, I have to go to school. I better not cuss at Hunter's class again. Crap, it's Bradley. Jackson, time for school. Jackson, knock it off right now. Now go to school right now. Ugh, fine. Man, I have to walk to school in the snow in my diaper. Wah! I better wait for the bell to ring. Hey Jordan.
Hey Jackson.
I will pull the fire drill later, if I take a piss in the bathroom.
Good plan. I better get to class.
See ya. Good morning, class. And today we're taking a test in math. Hunter. What? Can I take a piss in the bathroom? No! Remember what happened while you are gone. You ditched school again. I want to go now. No! But I'm gonna explode if I don't go. Ugh, fine. You can go. Okay, now that I'm out of his classroom, it's time to pull the fire alarm. Oh my god! It's the fire alarm. It better not be Jackson again. Everyone go outside.
Jackson, did you pull the fire alarm?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
I hope nobody knows that I done that.
Yeah! Better not let anyone know that you did it.
I won't tell. 35 minutes later. Jackson, did you pull the fire alarm again? Tell me the truth. Yes. Oh. Jackson, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm again. You leave me no choice. Go to Red B. Watt's office for your field trip right now. No. Jackson, I told you not to stand there. Come here right now. Now what is it? I just pulled the fire alarm again. Oh. Jackson, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm again. You leave me no choice. I'm calling Bradley right now. Oh no! No. Wah! Hey Reddy Watt. What happened with Jackson now? Well, Jackson pulled the fire alarm again. He did? Oh. I'll pick him up right now. Oh no! Bradley is coming. I have to run. I have to pick Jackson up and ground him for pulling the fire alarm. Where the heck is Jackson? He ran away. Oh. I'll find him. Do. Jackson, you're not going anywhere. You're coming home with me right now. No. Oh my god, Jackson. I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm again. That's it. You're grounded for life. Now go upstairs to your room right now while I destroy your Xbox 360. You always destroy my electronics. Don't destroy my Xbox 360. Yes, I always do that. Now go right now. I'm gonna destroy it. No. Please don't destroy my Xbox 360. Jackson. I'm not buying you a new Xbox 360, not anymore. Tell me why, then it's concussion time. Now stay in your room right now and think about what have you done earlier.